All right, we're getting ready to go to Calvary Chapel in Downey. We got our truck loaded up over here. We're gonna be doing their band room. And it's kind of ironic. We're gonna probably do another band room after this in Claremont, but this will be the first one. And so we're gonna show you the before and after. We're gonna be doing some custom work on the steps that I recommended to them. So we're gonna take one load and then tomorrow we'll get the other load. We'll be trying out some new patch and a lot of other cool stuff. All right, today we're gonna be doing a band room. We got this old piano in here that we gotta move around, but we're gonna start probably in the middle right here. And then we got these little tiers that step up. And we already put some skim coat on the back there because we're gonna use that as a staging area. And then I gotta cut this carpet down. We're using carpet tile, but for the face, well, not actually the face, we're gonna use carpet tile too, but you really can't bend it over this edge here. You know, we want it to have a soft look. So we're gonna put like a 6 or 1, I'm not sure yet actually. Might be a 6-inch, 9-inch or 1 foot trim all the way around it. And we're just using this carpet they have left over, so whatever we can get out of it. The more I think about it, I think a 6 might look a little better. But we're gonna put the carpet tile on the flat parts. And then right here is where we'll use that little accent piece. The face will be carpet tile, and then all this will be carpet tile. So. All right, so got everything cleaned up. I'm gonna get some patch down on this part right here. We got our 2 levels ready. One of them has the glue on it already. See where it's a little shiny. And then that's just a template right there. We're gonna start putting tile down right here. And you see where it's dry. That's gonna be our border. It's gonna wrap under the nosing, and we're gonna put on the face, we're gonna put carpet tile. This is all ready. We're gonna start from the top and work our way down this way. And then we'll do this part last. We're starting to put our border on now and our base. Get all this top part done right here. See how we got an even line? It's about 8 inches right there. I'm starting to put my top part on. You see what I'm doing is got my seam miter. I'm using a multi-purpose glue, just a carpet glue. It's actually a pretty good glue. And I'm sealing the edges right there because this part that falls in will connect to the carpet tile, and this part could unravel over time, so that's why I'm sealing those edges. All right, so we're at the home stretch right now. We got all of our border up, and now we're starting to put the the skirt. We're just using the same tile. This one we're just going to run all one direction. And we have still put up some cove base. Got a little room we got to do over here too. Put down some reducers. That's how the base trims out with that. Do a lot of this tile. It was the first time we did anything different with it. All right, all done.